Okay, so today, just to tell you, I am playing on I'm playing on a touchpad. Like, I'm not using a mouse. I'm using the touchpads.
Wow, I'm still here. Just to suffer.
So it's going to be a little bit hard for me. So you can call this the touchpad battle or the parkour touchpad battle. So I have started this parkour, Fun Parkour 4. So in touchpad, what happens with me is that so there's a jump pad. So in touchpad, what happens with me is that whenever I move, while moving I can't turn. Like when I stop at one place, then only I can rotate using the touchpad. So that's the disadvantage. If you jump on this red thing over here, you come to the checkpoint. This is a thin path. So over here, if I'm moving and if I try to turn left, then it does not happen until I stop. Point. Okay. So that this is a thin break, and then there are many. Okay, there are 4 or 5 jump pads over here. And I have a big sword, so I know it's distracting the view, so I can just right click and throw it down there. See, it's over here. So I think even my friend Vested wants to join in. So guys, I have my old friend Vested with me. Hey Vested, speak something.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, so I'm doing this video on Fun Parkour, which we played, Fun Parkour 4. So you can just join the link which I sent you. I'm here till a long while. So guys, see, this is a moving path. Okay, yeah, so I came here and this red thing is a checkpoint. Did you join? Yeah. So this guy Abhinav,
Where are you?
this person Abhinav 1203 is vested.
That's me.
Yeah, he's actually with Abhinav.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so where is he? Where are you? Oh, you're down there. You'll take a long time to come. So
Not a long time.
yeah, you're good in parkour, and this, as I'm telling you also vested that I'm playing with the touchpad over here.
So am I.
Oh wow, good.
Yeah. I'm doing a touchpad challenge, so yeah.
No, you can play with the mouse till the time you don't come to me, like till the time you don't catch up. You can use the mouse.
No, it's fine. It's not that bad. I've only like twice so far.
Okay.
Guys, I see where you are. It's not that far, so it's fine.
Okay.
They are there.
Over here, guys, in this door, you need to jump, and then you come to a new area, and then on the right side, the parkour starts from the right side. And for some reasons, the last collaboration which I did with Vested was not good. I don't know, some file got corrupted for Vested.
Yeah, the video file got corrupted when I compressed it, and it was way too big to upload without compression. So
What was the need for compression? You could have just added cuts.
No, cuts don't. I mean, obviously, I did add a bunch of cuts. I mean,
I added the upload.
Be like 20 minutes. So
I added the entire thing. It's 40 minutes if you check it out.
but then it for me the video file size is very big because I added like transitions and stuff like that too. So
okay. So guys, you can also join my Discord channels, like my Discord servers. The link will be in the description, and I have my own server now, my own official server.
guys, he has a fan base server. Go check his servers out. Link will be in the description of my video too.
Wait,
Also,
what?
check out
Even
his
you
channel.
are going to give this? Even you are recording?
Yeah.
When did you start recording?
You didn't know it because I turned off my mic in the middle.
Okay. Yeah, so where are you? I came till here. Oh, you're still there? Okay.
Not still there. I'm like
Oh,
quite close
so
to you.
guys, if you jump on this red thing, you'll die.
Confusing because some of the red things kill you, some of the red things are checkpoints.
Yeah, the
It's not
square
that bad,
ones
but
are the checkpoints. Like, these things can kill you.
sometimes I mean, it can be confusing. They're the exact same color, so like it's whatever.
Okay, so this is a bunch of the jump pads.
Jump pads, Mr. Shivank _best.
What?
Which jump pads are you talking about? What?
I don't know.
My head right now.
So if you jump on these black things,
They're
then it
smashing
takes
my
you to
head.
somewhere else. Like it took me here. Oh, what is this thing? If you jump on the green one, or no, on the blue one, then you fall down. Okay. And if you jump here, or no, here, you fall down.
Are you like ahead of me or behind me?
I'm ahead of you. See, I can see you there. Oh yeah, now I think you're nearby. Yeah, you're up here. Like I'm waiting for you. Come down. Yeah, you're just here. Yeah, see. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Why do you like use the knife? Like just throw it away.
Like big and is blocking the screen.
Yeah, the knife is so big. Now, where to go next? Wait, you just.
Instant slow-mo replay.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing. This thing looks good. Like this is the aim room map. Oh no, I fell down. If you jump on this thing, this brown thing, then you'll die.
Great. I died. Oh no, I got my knife back. I don't really want. Okay, it came
Oh,
back
yeah.
and smacked me in my face. How nice.
Oh, even I died. Wait, let me also reach there. Then you say, look, guys.
Oh, my people broken.
Oh, you're talking to your people. Okay.
There's not even the gorilla who kills you. There's not even, that princess.
Okay, guys. If you
You
play
have
Donkey
to-
Kong, you must be knowing about it, because as I don't play it, I
It's
don't
an
know
arcade
anything.
game. You can't just you play it unless you have the arcade machine. You can't just play it anytime you want.
Oh,
You go to
acha,
it.
you play it
It's
on
an
the.
arcade.
Okay.
I have played it once, I think. In in some arcade. I don't remember the name of it. It was like it was in Ambience Park. Remember that place?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah. So Abhinav was Vested was talking about.
Yeah, well, it's fine.
Vested was talking about this thing, these ladders and all.
Yes, the diagonally staircasing ladders of the Donkey Kong. I'm doing pretty well, I would say, but I'm dying a lot more than I did the first time, which is, a little weird. You would expect me to die less. But I am progressing through everything faster because I know what to do. I'm just dying a lot more. Which again, counterintuitive, but still.
So in these ladders, I prefer that you should press the jump key, or else it does not happen.
In some of them, that's not preference, that's just how it works.
Yeah. Okay, so over here there's this castle. We go on the castle thing over here.
You're in a castle? Where?
This thing, there are these ladders over here.
Oh, so the Donkey Kong castle.
Oh, this is the Donkey Kong castle. Okay, I did not know.
Never mind.
And after that, there are these black blocks.
Although I was in the touchpad earlier too, actually, so I don't know actually.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I'm just like behind you.
Whoopsies.
Wall jump works with touchpad.
It does. You need to press jump to wall jump, not like not a mouse button. In fact, I'm not even using touchpad at all for the wall jumps. I don't need to. It's easy without them.
Okay, then we can make this short, like not too long. This video.
Yeah, but whoopsies.
Obviously, we'll not show the entire thing.
If the thing is, if it doesn't work this time also, even if the video is short, then the problem is not with my compression software, which is Handbrake. The problem is probably with Krunker then. If that happens.
Not
So,
with
everyone
Krunker,
saying.
because I upload Krunker videos all the time.
For my Krunker, I'm using MTV client.
Oh yeah. Oh, you use MTV clients. Oh, you can in that you can do a lot of customizations and editings.
I know. I have.
What?
You'll see in the video. It's hard to explain really.
Okay.
And Shiva, when you get here, I'm gonna go to that door in the distance.
Have you installed MTV or what? Like,
I'm recording with MTV right now.
okay, so you have installed it. Yeah,
Yeah,
I came to the first wall jump area, the first one, the black and
Way past that. I'm at the I'm at the door area. Like I can see the door in the distance.
Oh. Oh, I was close. Like that was close.
Nice.
I was still. I'm still in this black white wall jump.
Really, the first. There's a second wall jump right after that.
Yeah, I know that one is easy.
Right.
Oh yes, yeah, I did it. I did it. Now I came to the red and the next one,
Nice.
and I did it. And then I came to this area which has black, black steps.
That's a very bad guess.
Okay, so this is also a tower kind of a thing.
You can't share a channel. You can share a video. And you can't like a channel either. You can
Yes,
like a
you
channel.
can share a channel also.
mean like the actual share. You don't mean like the YouTube share.
What do you mean by actual share?
Well, in the video, if you go down and click on the three dots, there's an option called share the video, and then you can just share it with people. It'll just get posted, on the social media page. And
By the
everybody
way,
will know
where
about
are you vested? What is this invisible thing?
it. You don't. What?
There's some invisible thing after that. I just fell down over there. Now I'm just
Even-
falling down and I'm not dying. Yeah, finally I died.
Invisible playground. I'm not invisible. Why did I say invisible?
By the way, where
I'm
are
just
you
like
vested?
in
like-
the playground.
Playground? What are you doing over there?
I'm trying to find out where to.
I found another parkour game called Big City Parkour. Maybe we'll do it in the next video. Anyways, I'm
That it's very easy.
oh, you did it?
I've not finished it. I've played it.
Like I did not try it at all.
I tried it. I'm so high up now that dying takes like a billion hours.
I'm in this door thing in this white room. Wait, I'm so close to you. Can you wait over there, please?
You're not close to me at all. There's like 7 more.
I think so. I
CDs
am.
there, but I'll wait. Sure.
No, you're not close to me. Oh, I'm in the helicopter thing.
Helicopter thing just now. You have to go all the way to the end of that place. Then you go into a rainbow tower where you finish that. Then you go into a rainbow plains where that's like 10 levels.
Where do I
Then
need
you
to
go into the
go?
blue
Where do
tower,
I
then the
need
red tower, and the green tower. Then you come to the orange plains where there's a hamburger, and then
Okay,
that's where I am.
okay. So it's going to take a long time. And
Yeah,
I'm going to end the recording after some time though.
I don't have all day. I only have till 6.
Yeah.
Oh no, what have I done? I almost killed myself because I am the smartest person in the world.
Any other Krunker map, then you can wait. This is this playground thing. I'm here.
That's the old playground. There's 2 playgrounds.
What do we have to do in the playground?
You have to go onto the ladder, and then you have to go next to the slide on top, and there'll be like a jumps there.
No, wait. Like there's this bridge over here. Above it. Yeah, I get it.
What's the go? Is that where I came from?
So if you want to make your own Krunker map, you can like search Krunker editor, and then you can try it out. What to do over here?
I finished the map.
Can you tell me what to do over here? Like I'm here in this black thing.
You just fall and die.
So where are you going?
But I've only those layers. The first layer, third layer, and death. I mean,
Okay, I came to
I
this
already
tricolor thing. You were calling it tricolor what? Tricolor pasta?
yes, tricolor pasta. Because it is colored like tricolor pasta. Oh wait, I should have known this is the end. This park says GG.
Can you wait for me?
Slide because it slides you down like really sliding fast. So
Can you come back?
whoopee.
Like can you come back?
What?
Can you come back?
No, I can't.
Oh. Okay, there is this staircase. Oh, this person has made a good map, whoever has made it. Oh, it's by
Sure, FM. Guys, a cool little, fun little trick thingy. It's not really a trick or really, cool, but it's
it's
fun.
a little bit
So you see, if you just walk down the
interesting.
slide, you just get launched a few, I don't know, a meter away from it, and it hit me with so much force. I crashed into the wall.
Hey,
and
there
I
are two
bounced off, and I died.
there are two ladders here. Which one to take? Oh, both are good.
No, that one's bad.
The red one is bad. Oh, wait, what? What to do over here in this thing? These. Okay, these.
When you say
things.
these, I don't know what those are.
Like after the staircase. No, no. Like after the staircase, there are these platforms.
I don't know what you mean.
No, done. Okay, yes, I did it. Now what's this? Oh, that big thing.
Big.
Jump pad.
Alright, guys,
Not
I'm
a-
gonna just have a little bit of fun with shotguns. A little bit of fun. with
Shotgun?
shotguns.
From where did you get shotgun?
I'm trying a new game. I left.
Oh, you left this? Okay.
I have nothing to do. I already won.
Fall Guys is so bad.
I mean, Fall Guys and Crunker, yes.
Yeah, I know it is.
I don't want a time limit. I am gonna absolutely maraud everybody. Also, guys, if you want to see some good Minecraft content, check out my Minecraft content. There's one video going to be coming out today, which is Dream and Shorts video where there's one person trying to beat the game really quickly, which is a speedrunner, and one person trying to kill
You see, I
the
hate
other guy.
Minecraft, guys.
Yeah, Shivang hates Minecraft, so do not bring it up with you. Also, guys, in Slime
In the
Time
last
and
time
Fall
of
Guys,
September.
These platforms are supposed to be so slippery. This is the hardest and most annoying level ever because of this one part for me. So the fact that it's not there is kind of nice. This they make slippery though.
Oh yes, I came to the thing. What? Oh, I'm in this like a tower thing. I think you were talking about it earlier.
Tiptoe. Oh no, I hate tiptoe. I guys didn't tell me. I can do that.
Wait, do you download Fall Guys or what?
I mean, it's like 500 rupees, so I mean, not so much.
Okay, yeah.
Guys,
Recording is still on. Oh, what to
What's
do?
wrong with
This
this
is
community?
not even ending. When will this
What's
thing
not
end? Yeah, I'm on the hamburger part.
that's like near the end.
Oh, that's near the end. Good. No, I fell down. The hamburger.
The crown for what? No, I want to grab the crown, you stupid kid.
Hamburger part.
Oh no, give me fall crown, you idiot. I just slapped it in the face. That's nice. Anyways, bye bye Shivang. I am not free anymore.
Bye,
Ta-ta.
Vested. So here Vested is has left. Bye. But the stream is still on. But this is not the stream. Haha. This is a recording. Okay. So as he told me that I'm in the last part. I hope I can complete it now. And as I told you that I'm playing with the touchpad. Oh, yeah, I think I completed it. Yes, I think I completed it. Yes, I completed it. Finally. This is that slide part and then GG's. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. And share my channel, okay? So, bye, guys. We'll meet you next time.